Welcome to the SoulMate. In this video, we'll show you how to upgrade your membership. Once your profile is created and approved, log into your account. You'll land on your dashboard where your status appears as standard member. To upgrade, click on your profile photo and then click Upgrade Account. On the next page, choose Premium Membership and click Upgrade. A pop-up will show the membership fee. If you have a discount code, enter it here. For example, we currently have 50% off. Click Apply to see the discounted amount. Now select Continue Payment. Choose your payment method, PayPal or debit card. For users in Pakistan, debit card is recommended. Fill in the details and click Pay. And that's it. Your premium membership is now active. Good luck and may you find your soulmate. Thank you for choosing the SoulMate.